Welcome to EduPro, a powerful e-learning platform where education, earning, and smart management come together. This is the modern and professional homepage of EduPro, designed with a clean layout and a user-friendly interface to ensure the best user experience. Platform purpose. EduPro is built for students, team members, managers, and administrators, providing a complete and efficient digital system for everyone. Student login. The platform includes a secure login system where users can easily access their accounts using email, phone number, or user ID. Secure access. With fast and secure authentication, every user can safely enter their personalized dashboard. User profile. Once logged in, users can view their profile, team information, earnings, activity, and overall performance. Private notes. The system also includes a private notes feature, allowing admins and managers to store important information securely. User management. One of the most powerful features is the user management system, where all user data, roles, status, and activities can be controlled easily. Admin power. Admins can block users, reset passwords, change roles, and monitor login history, all from one place. Full Control Center. This admin control center gives complete control over the entire platform. Wallet management. EduPro also includes a wallet adjustment system,